Declining an invitation.
Thanks for thinking of me, but I'll have to pass.
Asking for clarification.
Could you walk me through that again?
Expressing appreciation.
That means a lot to me.
Requesting a favor.
Would you mind helping me out?
Politely disagreeing.
I see a bit differently.
Showing gratitude.
I can't thank you enough.
Asking permission.
Is it okay if I join you?
Expressing regret.
I wish I could, but I'm not able to.
Requesting information.
Do you happen to know the answer?
Acknowledging someone.
I really appreciate you doing that.
Offering help.
Let me know if you need anything.
Asking for time.
Can I get back to you on that?
Showing understanding.
I totally get where you're coming from.
Making a suggestion.
How about we try it this way?
Expressing uncertainty.
I'm not entirely sure about that.
Asking for feedback.
What do you think about this?
Showing empathy.
That must be really tough for you.
Requesting patience.
Bear with me for just a moment.
Declining politely.
I'm going to have to say no this time.
Asking for advice.
What would you do in my situation?
Expressing concern.
I'm a little worried about that.
Making an apology.
I'm sorry, that was my mistake.
Asking for repetition.
Sorry, could you say that one more time?
Showing interest.
I'd love to hear more about that.
Requesting space.
I need a little time to think about it.